Guys, if you are planning to study in Canada as an international student, then this is a very important video that you can't miss, because the immigration authorities just released a list of certain colleges that if you are going to study in that province, in that particular institute, then your application could be suspended while the institute is under investigation. Please be sure to watch this video till the end. My name is Sahil and we are discussing a lot of details around this announcement that happened today, that is the 30th of December 2020. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and my office is here inside Ontario, Canada. If you want to speak to me personally, please feel free to book a consultation. My number is on the screen and in the description box. Send us a WhatsApp message and we'll schedule one. Guys, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that every time we release a new video on Canadian immigration program or delivery updates, you are given an update, a notification, and you don't miss any of them. So guys, we are discussing the very important announcement that happened today by the authorities, the immigration authorities, that is the Ministry of Immigration in Quebec, that a couple of institutes are currently under investigations. There are a lot of details on the Quebec immigration, the Ministry of Immigration's page, but then I'm going to share a brief highlight of what exactly the announcement is. Now they say that a couple of institutes, basically 10 of them, are under investigation for the practices of recruitments for students. Generally, if you want to study in an institute, a designated learning institution that is located in Quebec, then you need a CAQ, right? So that is basically a Quebec acceptance certificate. A CAQ is required if you want to study in Quebec, and most favorable place is Montreal, usually for a lot of international students. So if you want to study in Quebec, then starting December 30th, the applications are suspended if you are going to be studying in one of the following colleges, and the colleges I'm just gonna read out. The first one is M College of Canada. Second is Matrix College of Management, Technology and Healthcare. Third is Canada College Incorporation, INC. Housing College Institute, CDE College, Montreal College of Information Technology, Institute of this one is in French, so please excuse me for the bad language because I don't really speak French. So it says Institut Supérieur d'Informatique, ISI. Universal College, the Gatineau campus, College CDI, and Montreal campus of CEGEP. Now I don't know the last one, but then I'll just post this list on in the description box so that you get a hang of this. So 10 colleges, and they say that the processing of any application received before December 30th 2020 for which no decision had yet been made is suspended. Okay, the reception of new applications is also suspended as of December 30th 2020. The decision will remain in force until March 31st 2021. So if you are about to plan your studies in any of these colleges, or if you have already submitted your study permit or a CAQ under any of these colleges, then the application is probably suspended. You can get in touch with either the Ministry of Immigration Quebec or with IRCC to get more details on this particular notification and announcement. So guys, I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you soon in Canada. But if you have more questions and doubts around this topic and other topics of immigration, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me. My number is on the screen and in the description box. I would be more than happy to speak to you. Guys, all the best and see you soon in Canada.